If you're trying to get rid of the Roblox 2026 forced UI and switch back to the old layout, here's what you actually need to know before you waste time clicking around. And quick heads up, if this helps, make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss updates like this. First, understand this clearly. When Roblox rolls out a forced UI update, there's no official setting to permanently revert it. If it's fully rolled out to your account, you can't switch back through normal settings. That said, there are a few things you can try. On PC browser, clear your browser cache and cookies, then log back in. Sometimes UI experiments are tied to cached sessions, and a fresh login can temporarily reset the layout. Next, check if you're enrolled in Roblox beta features. Go to settings and see if any experimental or beta toggles are enabled. Turning those off and restarting your browser can sometimes remove newer UI elements. If you're using the Roblox desktop app, fully uninstall it and reinstall the latest version. Partial updates can cause UI glitches that look like forced changes but are actually broken files. Avoid browser extensions claiming to restore old Roblox UI. Most of them only change visuals locally and can break site functionality, and some aren't safe. Pro tip: if your issue is layout spacing or scaling, try zooming your browser out to 90 to 95%. A lot of people mistake zoom level changes for forced UI differences. If this video helped you understand what's possible, hit the like and sub. If not, drop a comment with what part of the UI changed for you and I'll tell you if there's a workaround.